In this video, we will talk about ways to highlight your skills and qualifications in the cover letter. In paragraph 2 in the body of the cover letter, you will summarize 2 or 3 examples from your education, experience, and interests to show a future employer how you are qualified for the job. The examples that you choose will explain or support the information in your resume, not just repeat what is in your resume. This paragraph is your chance to really stand out from all the other applicants. Remember that employers are looking for people who can help their business or organization be successful. Focus on how your skills and qualifications will help them. When you are applying for a specific position, it is a good idea to use the job description or advertisement as a guide. The job description is very useful because it has keywords about the skills and experience needed to do the job. Our applicant, Beth, read a job description for an international student advisor with the keywords international students, 2 years of experience, and excellent communication skills. Using the sample cover letters from reading 1, let's look at how Beth focused on her skills in the second paragraph of her cover letter. In the beginning sentences, she writes about her current job as a resident advisor. She gives very specific information about the students she helps and the interpersonal and organizational skills she uses. In her first example, she explains that she works with 40 students, advises them, and organizes programs. The last 3 sentences of this paragraph focus on her experience as a student when she assisted with international student orientation and learned more about international cultures and communication. Now, let's see how Tomoko shows her skills and qualifications in the cover letter. She begins with her administrative skills and says that she has 10 years of experience with Microsoft Office, as well as several web-based programs. Her next example focuses on her language skills. She writes about her experience studying in Spain and her volunteer experience with people of diverse cultures. Tomoko ends the paragraph well by connecting those skills to the company's needs. The job posting says that they need an administrative assistant with strong computer skills and interpersonal skills. And Tomoko does a good job of explaining that she has those skills. As you can see, there are many ways for job seekers to focus on their skills and qualifications in paragraph 2 of the cover letter. Some choose to use 2 or 3 examples from their education, work experience, or their interests. In their descriptions, they are always trying to show future employers how they are qualified for the job.